Yeah, people, I'm up here in the ladder. See, Bob? Yeah, I'm all the way up in this rooftop, trying to put this damn camera here. Okay, and this is my father down here. Right, T-Bob? T-Bob? Oh, that's too dark. Can't see you. Yeah. Well, let me just check to see. I'm on this ladder here, in this attic. So, this is the rooftop. Holding on to this damn rooftop here. I ain't finished. Yep. I have to make sure this camera is adjusted. Okay. Let's see here. All right. Okay. I gotta put this here. These things have to be right in the groove. Okay. No. Okay. All right. That's nice. I get these damn wires in here. Okay. Okay. Put these all in here. All right. Okay. I think this camera. Okay. I gotta fix that up a little bit. All right, let me watch my step here. Here's my damn drill. Now, gotta get down from here. Where's T-Pop? Alright, take this drill. Okay. Nope, nothing here. Let me see. Well, I gotta adjust this thing. No, from where plus sous la rive, from ajuster. I gotta adjust this thing. Alright, let me get down. Okay. Alright, let me get down here. Let me see. Okay, almost down. Watch your fingers, see, Pop. Okay, I gotta adjust this thing. Watch your fingers. Okay, now let me see. Oh, it's up there. So far, let me see if this thing gonna. Okay, camera's up there. Here. Okay, I have to get my Allen key. Alright, go alright, go ahead. Let me see here. So far this one is okay. And this camera, can't really see that one up there. Somewhere. Okay. Got a few of them here. Alright. Anyways. This is JP. Handyman. Gotta just go and finish some work here. Here's my tools here. Okay.
Notification from Android system Wi-Fi networks available.
Let me see. Okay. I gotta go all the way around here. Okay. Well, it's dark in here, so let me just do this so I can get out of here. Okay. I need to change the battery on this.